Bath time toys are a simple, effective way to support sensory development, hand-eye coordination, and tub time engagement for babies and toddlers. The right toy can transform routine hygiene into a playful, learning-rich activity, while the wrong choice can invite mold, breakage, or just shrugged indifference. In this comparison,
List number 1. Munchkin Float. Deeper analysis. In real-world use, the set excels in quick bath sessions and Easter or basket gifting due to compact packaging and visual appeal. The airtight bubbles float reliably, allowing for simple cognitive tracking as babies observe motion and hear gentle rattle cues. For toddlers, the spinning and rattle elements encourage grasp and release practice and fine motor development without posing sharp edges. The main limitation is longevity under heavy gnawing or rough handling, where the outer shell could show wear over time.
List number 2. Tubworks Marine Mold-Free Bath Toys. Deeper analysis. The lack of holes is a standout feature for mold resistance, which is a common problem with bath toys. The marine animal lineup helps with color and animal name associations during water play narratives. However, some kids may prefer more dynamic actions, spinners, squeaks, that these squeaky-free sealed figures don't provide. Cleaning remains straightforward, no disassembly required, and the small 2x2x2 inch size makes them suitable for travel or as drawer toys when not in use.
List number 3. Comfortable Baby Bath Kneeler. Deeper analysis. The set prioritizes user ergonomics, which is particularly valuable for parents with multiple kids or extended bath routines. The memory foam interior and neoprene cover balance softness with durability, and the quick dry capability helps reduce mold risk associated with damp fabrics. The storage pockets are a practical touch for keeping brushes, soaps, and a few toys within reach. If you're seeking a more immersive, low-effort bath setup, this option delivers a compelling combination of comfort and organization at a premium price point.
List number 4. Baby Bath Toys. Experience Baby Bath Toys. Upgraded rechargeable baby bath toys. The light-up baby toys for toddlers 1 to 3 have rechargeable battery and long water spraying time. Do not need to replace new batteries anymore. Infant toys, colorful lights, and spraying water bring endless entertainment for baby baths. Your baby will enjoy every bath time. Perfect pool water bath sprinkler toy for toddlers, kids, baby, boys and girls. Unique design makes us better than others. We know that water leakage and battery waste are the significant problems of this lovely whale bath toy. So we equipped a large capacity rechargeable battery and USB charging. With the flap charging compartment cover, very easy to charge, and the silicone waterproof cap preventing water seepage damage effectively, our tub toys for toddlers 6 to 12 months have a longer water spraying time and longer service life than older ones on the market.
List number 5. Munchkin Super Scoop Hanging Bath Toy Storage with Quick Drying Mesh. Experience Munchkin Super Scoop Hanging Bath Toy Storage with Quick Drying Mesh. Keep your tub tidy and toys contained with the Hanging Bath Toy Storage with Quick Drying Mesh. Mounting disc included helps suction cup attach to textured or porous surfaces. Care and cleaning, wash with soap and water, air dry. Makes us better than others? We know that water leakage and battery waste are the significant problems of this lovely whale bath toy, so we equip a large capacity rechargeable battery and USB charging. With the flap charging compartment cover, very easy to charge, and the silicone waterproof cap preventing water seepage damage effectively, our tub toys for toddlers 6 to 12 months have longer water spraying time and longer service life than older ones on the market.